Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm doing a full face of new drugstore products. So just keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment letting me know a drugstore product that you are loving. I'm really excited because so many new products I get to play with today. I'm going to start out with this primer. These are from Revlon and they are the Prime Plus Photo Ready Primers. I have a couple of them, but I'm going to use these two today because I think these are going to be best for my skin type. This one is for mattifying and this one is for smoothing. I do have oily combination skin, so the mattifying one should help keep me more matte. So we're just going to put some of that on the back of my hand. It's a white primer. I'm gonna put this on with a beauty blender. So I want to show you guys how mattified I made my skin, so you can see my face on this side is a lot more matte than this side. Most times I use my hand to apply my primer, but today I just put lotion on my hands because they're always ashy. Every time I turn my camera on, my hands are ashy. That's because they just always ashy, but you know, I always notice when I turn the camera on. I'm gonna take a little bit of the smoothing primer because I just like using smoothing primers, and I also want to see what this one is like. Let's see what color it is. Maybe some more pumps. Should I hold it this way? This is taking a long time. Wait a minute.
What's going on?
Is there anything in here? Oh, here we go.
Finally!
Alright, so this one is kind of like a silicone-ish clear look. Most smoothing primers kind of look like this. So next we're going to use the Milani Squeen Cream Screen Queen. This is her. I love this foundation. I think it's really good, and I've used it quite a few times. I like to have a full coverage look, and I'm just gonna put this on. Maybe I put too much on the back of my hand because I feel like this is enough. I'm gonna add a little bit more above my lip where I tend to just have some more darkness. For concealer, we're gonna use the new e.l.f. concealers. These are the Hydrating concealer from e.l.f. and I did a video with these already. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It came out last year I think, but it was really good, and so they came out with this hydrating version. I'm gonna put this here, then we're gonna blend this out. I'm having iced coffee today. I just felt like having something cold. It's just one of those days. It's actually really cold outside though, so I don't know why I feel like having iced coffee, but you know. I'm using this lighter shade to add some more of a highlight to my face. I'm gonna take my Milani powder. This is not new, but I don't know if there's any new powders. I haven't seen any new drugstore powders. I actually really like this pencil. The past week I've been using it for work. It's actually part of my project pans. I have been using this pencil. I usually use it before foundation. I think this particular pencil goes on better under foundation or before foundation. This I'm going to use next is the Revlon Brow Highlight. So it's basically a brow highlighter. This is what it looks like here. Oh, I forgot. And with this brush, actually, you can pull it. Wait, no. Oh, yeah. You could twist it off, and then you have this powder on this end, so you could actually add powder, which I accidentally discovered this while I was using it at work because I was trying to twist the product up, and instead this thing popped up, and I was like, whoa, what just happened? But yeah, so you could add more product to your brow. All right, so I'm going to put it back in, twist it up. It's like a gadget right here. I'm going to top this off with the CoverGirl Brow Gel. Keep my brows in place. I want to get my brows laminated so badly, but I can't find a place nearby. It's so annoying, you guys. Like when it comes to beauty treatments, whatever, it's really hard to find places near where I live. For my cheek makeup, I'm gonna use my Patricia Bright palette. This is newer. It's not like super new at this point anymore, but it's still newer and I love it. This is the Revolution and Patricia Bright palette in Dusk Till Dawn. Definitely one of my favorite little palettes, and I'm gonna use the bronzer or contour shade to just add some deepness right here. And I'm just gonna smudge that into my face, add some dimension. Boom, boom, boom. You see me looking over to the right. I'm looking at the viewfinder just to make sure I look okay. I'm gonna take some powder and just put it on the side of my nose to help contour. I'm gonna dust this off later. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Catrice and Eman palette. This is not like very new, but it's newer. It's one of those products that I've had but I have never used really. It looks really nice, so I don't know why I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna use it right now. I'm gonna use the shade Runyon, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna just apply that here and blend it out. I'm not doing anything too crazy because simplicity is life. And we're just gonna blend this in like this, and let's do the other side. Oh, this looks amazing. Okay, so that's what it looks like, and I'm gonna take the color Laguna, which is right in the center. This is Laguna. I'm just gonna take my ring finger and I'm gonna just pat that on my eyelid to have a nice like highlighted look. Really pretty bronzy shade. I love it. Oh, this is so pretty. I must make this face whenever I'm applying eyeshadow. Okay, this is really beautiful. I'm gonna take some of Malibu, which is right here, and I'm gonna apply that in the inner corner with my pinky. I'm gonna take a little brush to get in here a little more. Okay. Alright, that looks really good. For blush, I'm going to use another one of the Catrice palettes. This one is this beautiful pink palette. And these are the blush shades. They look so beautiful. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush and I'm going to use the orange shade called Lunar. This one right here. Did I just use too much? Probably, but you know, what's new? This looks so pretty. Definitely missed my lash extensions because I feel like my eye makeup would be done. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Nabla Major Pleasure Mascara. I'm really not sure how new this is, but it's definitely new to me. Like, I've only started using this in the past week or so. I do like the formula. I will be putting on these lashes. These are from the beauty supply store, the INV Remy in number 3. Do you see how beautiful these are? Like, so gorgeous. I can't wait to try them. This is my first time trying this style. I'm gonna actually use this Revlon highlighter. It's actually a bronzer, but it's from Revlon. This is what it looks like. It's part of their new Skin Lights collection. I'm gonna use this brush. Nice glow. So that gives you like a nice subtle highlight. For a more intense one, I'm going to go in with this highlighter in Twilight Gleam. Alright, so I used a liner that I already have from ColourPop because I don't have any new lip liners. I'm also waiting for this lash to dry, so that's why I have one lash on right now. For lip products, I'm going to use the new ColourPop Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. I have these 2 shades. I'm going to go with this one called Casual Dress. Oh. Ooh. We love her. Let me put this on. Alright, so while that dries, I'm going to actually throw on some lip gloss as well. Ooh. Alright, so while that is sitting here drying, I'm going to actually add some lip gloss. So I'm going to use one of the new NYX Butter Glosses in the shade, in the color Bit of Honey, which is this one. And then to set everything, I'm going to use the new Morphe Mattifying Continuous Mist. So this is Morphe's newer face product. I have oily combination skin, but I did like the original, so I'm really curious to see how this one performs. Just a little test, okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this one definitely looks different. Like, I could see it looks more mattifying already because it gives me that look of the MAC Fix Plus Matte. It's drying down, so I'm gonna let it do its thing. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more though. You can never have enough setting spray, you know? Like, can you? Can you even? Is that a thing? I think you have enough setting spray when you start choking on it. I'm gonna let that dry and change my outfit real quick. So I just changed into a different outfit, fixed my hair a little bit. I just wanted to show you guys the completed look. I definitely love everything I tried on today. My lashes are not staying on my eyeball, but that's just my own problem, so we're gonna ignore those. But I do like the way they look, so if you're interested in getting those lashes, definitely pick them up because I think they look really good. The drugstore is definitely where it's at, so go get these items because, girl, Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, comment down below anything that you're loving from the drugstore that I should be trying out because I want to know. Okay, bye.